Hey, I'm Fifth and today I want to try 2 new necklace pendant designs. I sketched a little bit yesterday. Let me show you. I sketched a little bit yesterday and I want to make like this star kind of design. I don't have a star gemstone, but that's like the ideal at the end. I'm just gonna put like probably some smaller gemstones in there. I'm not sure yet. And then I just want to make like a free shape. I want them to be really smooth, so that's what I'm going for, like really smooth design. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I've not made any pendants. I think I'll go with like, actually I need to find something that I can put through the clays to make a hole, because I mean I have one of these, but I think I just want to make a hole so they can be like just be put on any necklace basically, and don't like turn around. That's really important. Yeah, that's the plan, and I will talk a little bit about where I'm at with setting up a small business right now, because I've been doing some work over the last weeks since I made the first video, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about that, and yeah, that's it. Let's go. This first bit is so satisfying. Exactly now is when someone starts using the drill in the house, but it's fine, and maybe I'll just put a voiceover. So I'm just forming the star now. Ooh. 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 This is very fucking cool. Alright, while no one is using the drill right now, let's talk about what I've been up to. So I've put a lot of work into working on the website and trying out different... Oh my god, this is fucking cool. Trying out different... I don't even know what the word is, like, you know, like Shopify and Acquid, like these different pages where you can sell your products with. I started designing my business cards yesterday and it's so much fun. I think I'm gonna like test print some... Oh my god, this is gonna be so cool. I don't just want to order all these business cards. I want to test them and see them, and because I want to use really good paper, like high quality paper. I want to be able to see how everything looks beforehand. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then, oh, I forgot to I forgot to select what gemstones I want in there. And then maybe... Yeah, let's go with that. I think that's quite cool. Okay, now I'm just trying to find a way to make a hole into it without it being completely destroyed. What else have I been working on? I'm still trying to figure out the products, because I love doing this, but you know, everything started with painting, because that's what I have been more consistent with. So I'm just thinking about like what is doable for me, what would be fun as well, because obviously I'm doing this because, well, I want to enjoy it. But I think I'm not the type of person that wants to have like one design that I'm going to repeat every time. I think I want to keep being creative. But what I like to do, because I love postcards, you can see here some of my postcards. I think I would really love to get my prints onto postcards, and because I just love the like the act of writing and receiving postcards, not just when you're on vacation, but just when you think about someone. I think it's really special to send someone a postcard because you're like taking the time and you're going to the post office to send them. So I was thinking maybe to do something with postcards because it's just something that I really, really enjoy. And my idea was even to like not just have the prints, but when someone wants to send some special words to someone, that I could like do that for them for like an extra price, like a handwritten one, because I think that's just really lovely. So that's where I'm at right now, like just thinking about options. I need to keep hurrying up with this one because it's gonna dry. And also obviously prints, like bigger prints. I had like a very first one, and it's just cool to see what is possible. So I'm just gonna keep testing stuff and see what comes out of it, or what works, what doesn't work, what I like to have, what I don't like to have. I had a look into some markets. Obviously London, there's just a lot of people that are selling, so it seemed like it is quite difficult to like find markets and get like a spot. But I have time to figure everything out, you know, I'm not like rushing it. So and right now I wouldn't be ready to sell at a market anyway, so because I'm still figuring out more what I exactly want to do. But to be part of this slow process is just so much fun, and I love it, and I just hope that at some point something will come out of it. But I think it will. It really, I'm very positive about it. Very cool. Maybe I'll just stick to that one today, because I think that's gonna take enough time anyways. I think it dried enough, so now I'm gonna insert the gemstones into it, and I'm just gonna make sure they're not too close to the hole for the necklace. This worked surprisingly well, and it looks really cool. I'm very satisfied with where I'm at right now. Okay, 5 hours later, and I think we've arrived what the star's gonna be like. Just need to double check the hole, but it looks very good. So now I just need to wait for a while because it needs to completely be dry. I'm guessing a couple of hours. I just fired the pendant and we're gonna polish it now. I'm very excited for it. I think it looks really fucking cool, and we'll see how it looks in silver. It's so smooth, exactly what I wanted. Oh my god, it's gotta be so cool. It's so silver. I mean, obviously it's so silver, it's just as silver as everything else I made, but it's so smooth, which makes the silver pop. I love it. I am so surprised by how good this looks. I love it. It's so cool. The gemstone came out because I probably didn't cover it enough. So I'll keep working, and at the end I'll add it in there again with some glue. I'm very, very, very happy. Obviously I lost one gemstone on the way, so I'm gonna fix that now first, and then I'll show you how it looks on a necklace. I am extremely, extremely happy with the end result. I think it looks pretty much exactly what I wanted it to look like, so I'm just really happy. I definitely learned what I need to do next time to do a better job, but I'm just very happy. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day.